Uzbekistan has claimed that at least 18 children in the country have died after allegedly taking an Indian manufactured cough syrup. The health ministry of Uzbekistan in a statement said that the children who died had consumed cough syrup Doc 1 Max manufactured by Noida-based Marion Biotech. The laboratory test of the batch of the syrups found the presence of ethylene glycol, a toxic substance in the presentation, the ministry has said. It also said that the syrup was given to the children at home without a doctor's prescription, either by the parents or on the advice of the pharmacist, with doses that exceeded the standard dose for children. After the death of 18 children, Doc 1 Max tablets and syrups have been withdrawn from all pharmacies in Uzbekistan, and 7 employees were dismissed because they failed to analyze the situation in a timely manner and take necessary measures. Meanwhile, India has launched a probe over the claim of the death of 18 children in Uzbekistan that were linked to the syrup manufactured by Noida-based Marion Biotech. Officials in India said that the Central Drug Regulatory Team has got in touch with the Uttar Pradesh Drug Licensing Authority to initiate the inquiry against the drug maker.